Hi, I'm Dedunu Samarasekera. Today I'm going to present how to write SQL query, and this is related to assignment 4, video executive summary. And I'm going to present query 9, which I used for my assignment, and also one of the query which I used for view in that assignment. In this query, uh, I want to display the advertisers who have not paid for advertisements, and it should show advertiser ID, full names, and the phone number, and column names should be changed like this, and it should be order from the name. I will start from the middle. In here, I have select the advertiser IDs from the advertisement, and in order to take that, I will join that advertisement table with the advertisement for event table, and I have used these abbreviations uh, to recognize tables separately and its columns separately. And in here, these two tables have joined through the using the advertisement codes, and uh, after that I have already created a view to take the paid advertisements invoices, and it has taken as PAI, and from the invoice number I have joined these two tables, view and the uh, table, this view and the table, this table, and it will return advertiser IDs. After that, now I want to display the advertiser full names and the other informations from the advertiser table. So I'm going to take those information from the advertiser table, so that I will use this already created part as a subquery. And in here, I will take the advertiser ID from the subquery, and as I show you earlier, and those advertiser ID will compare with the advertiser ID of the advertiser table, and it will give the information from the advertiser table. And we need only advertiser ID and full name. In order to take the full name, I have used the concatenation, and I have taken the first name and last name both together, and as it required, I have named the column like this, and the advertiser phone number as well. Let's see the output of this. You can see um, it shows column names properly and the information correctly. I forgot to do that. Okay, now it's in order of the name. So let's move for the next one. According to the scenario, there are managers who have also joined as a supporters, and I want to take the teams which they supported, and I want to see the team ID, name, support ID, and the nickname of that manager. Okay, in here I have selected support ID by doing the right outer join with the SS manager and the supporter. And it will return all the support IDs to me. And after that, which join the supporter table with the subquery, team supporter and the subquery. Um, please bear with the formatting since it's taking time to correct it. From that, I have taken the supporter IDs, and those using that support ID, I will link that supporter table and the team supporter table. Now it's written the information related to supporters and their teams, but information related to teams should taken from the team table. In here it asks about the team name and the uh, team ID. Team ID, of course, I can give from here, but in order to take the team name, again I have to uh, join this with the team table. Please bear with the formatting, otherwise it will take time to finish this video. And after joining this with this previous subquery, okay, now run and see whether, yeah. If I explain from the beginning, in here we are taking the user ID from the manager table and the user ID from the supporter table, and by if those two are uh, matching, then it will take the support ID, and those using that support ID, it will retrieve information from the supporter table, and those supporter table and the team supporter table will be again linked with support IDs, and get team supporter table details. And after that, in order to get the team name and the information, uh, again it will join that table with the team table. And in here I have used I have used distinct to avoid to avoid the duplicate team IDs. Otherwise, it will be duplication of the team IDs. Here, it's not a duplicate because in here the support IDs are different. That means different supporters are registered for the same team. And in here, I have you display the team IDs and the supporter team information. All those information, guys, it's easy to recognize this information coming from which table. So that's all. Thank you for listening.